Exercise A3. Based on your understanding of the poem self-contained, which of the following choices do you think are important? These are the choices. And what do you think? Which choices are important? I think number 2 and number 6 are important. Children or adults should learn how to find enjoyment in simple pleasures like walking in the rain or meeting your neighbor rather than calling them on the phone. And if you make mistakes, you should apologize or make it right rather than hide it or blame it on someone else. And not 1, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Because this is not my choice. It is good for the father or the husband to earn money by working so much that he does not have enough time for his family. Right? Does not have enough time for his family. So no. And never be satisfied with what you have and always strive to get more. Never be satisfied. And it is acceptable to hurt others or lie in order to fulfill your dreams and wishes. Everyone should be treated according to the amount of money or the number of the latest gadgets that they have. No. Responsibilities are bad. One should avoid them. No. I think number 2 and number 6 are important. And now exercise B1. Write the following words in the correct column of the table below. In this box, you have to write I for sound E and I for sound I. So you have to write these words. Placid, id, E, in, D, discuss, sick, E sound, things, minutes, me, right? Minute, E sounds, and mind, my, I sound, mind, time, find, I sounds words you have to write here. Write, bind, white, island, ice. And exercise B2 now. Write 5 words of your own in which the letter E stands for. I stands for the sound I, E, and the sound I. Spelling is I, but sound is E. I, but sound different. Sing, E sound, and mine, I sound. Spelling I है, but sound is different. E sound and I sound. Sing, thing, mint, drink, sing. E sound and I sound. Mine, crime, prime, shrine, mine. The exercises of this chapter has been completed, and now worksheet. This is worksheet. Match the following words with their meanings. These are words and these are meanings. So you have to match these words with their correct meaning. Okay? So you have to complete this. Happy learning.